Good morning, everyone. Today we have Gauri ma'am from Delhi, and Gauri ma'am has come from Schoolaroo, and she's come with the reading plan, reading program. At Matrix High School, we are rolling out the reading program. So let me have a few words from Mithali ma'am. Mithali ma'am, in your section, why do you want this reading program?
Over the experience, I have seen that there are many students, those who are able to read, but they're not able to comprehend what they have gone through with. So, reading we can teach through the phonics and the other things,
Yes.
but comprehension is very important. As
Right.
ma'am has mentioned number of times to us that comprehension is very much required for a long run. So yes, we need to work upon that, but actually we were not aware how to go about it. Then ma'am mentioned about all these projects which you are bringing in. And then we thought that yes, this guidance is very much required for us and for our teachers. And we're very thankful to both of you to bringing this in and helping us out that how can we go in a guided manner so that it will be fruitful for the students as well as for us.
Yes.
So let me also mention that basically we started with Bookaroo, which was run by Swati Roy and Venkatesh. So Swati Roy and Venkatesh got in Gauri with Schoolaroo, which is the reading program. Bookaroo has been more of a lit festival, and so they are like thorough with what to read, how to read, and when to read, and not just read, read and comprehend. So let me hear it from Gauri ma'am that what has she brought in for us. Gauri
Thank you
ma'am.
so much, ma'am. Firstly, thank you for inviting, and have had 2 days of wonderful stay here, very comfortable, and it's been a pleasure meeting your teachers and interacting with them during the training session. And yes, so the whole program we developed was, as Bookaroo says, you're bringing in the joy of reading.
Right.
Okay. Because for children, what they relate, what comes naturally to them is joy. I mean, even when you look at a child, you'll always smile. You can never hold back a child. So what we want to give to them is through the books, through the joy of reading, develop a skill which will keep them, it's like a life skill. And through that, so the more books they read, more joy they get. And once they get a joy in reading, eventually it will develop comprehension. So there are certain strategies for developing the comprehension, but the bottom line is there has to be, you have to cultivate the joy of reading.
The love for reading.
The love for reading. So initially we always start by doing a guided reading, reading aloud and shared reading. But we have to eventually take them to the time when they do independent reading. And independent reading comes only when you have books like this. I mean, there's such fantastic books there, and we somehow we invest in so many things, but we don't invest in a good book. So, like I said, this is this book called Lightning, and if you really bring in, जैसे कई जगह बोलते हैं कि हिंदी मुश्किल है पढ़ने में, लेकिन अगर आप हिंदी की ये किताब लेके आए, बड़ी सी किताब लेके आए, and this book is about Ranthambore, they will relate that this is a place which is close to your place, Sikar, and develop, the reading
This will
skills.
develop a lot of excitement also.
Lot of excitement, yes.
They can
able to
imagine,
relate.
they can see things happening.
Yes,
right?
yes.
So you're talking about love for the books, joy of reading, how to bring happiness, creativity, imagination
Yes.
through books.
Yes.
So see, a lot of people, a lot of schools, they do a lot of reading programs.
Right.
So what is so special about, you've been talking a lot about the sharing plan
Yes.
for these reading books. So can you tell us a little bit about this sharing plan?
Yes, okay. We have something called the sharing planner. And like you said, there are 24 storybooks. Now this sharing planner has 24 boxes. Okay. Each box carries a kind of short information about that book, who the author is. And we have tried to map it with a certain theme. Like every time there might be a certain issue you want to bring into the class, like you want to bring in compassion, you want to bring in reuse, recycle. So you can pick up the book and that you can bring it into class. This is what we are talking about is holistic learning or integrated learning.
Yes.
Okay. So you integrate storybook with whatever the existing theme or the project is happening in the class. this gives the title. Now, if suppose like let me talk about the back
So
to
you've
school.
numbered up these books?
Yes, each one of
Okay.
them has been numbered, and we are giving a bookmark. Okay, we're not giving a very detailed a plan because I know that teachers are a little short of time.
Yeah.
But from here, they get the complete gist of what the book is. There is also learning outcomes, which we don't call it learning outcome, we're calling it the discovery of the day.
All right.
What they have learned. And that too, we are focusing on only two things.
Right.
Two learnings or two discoveries they have made. See, the whole program is focusing on reading comprehension. So here also in the learning program, we want to focus on only two things. So when the teacher comes, they know these are the two things they have to focus on, and they bring it. So you have a class of like 30 to 45 minutes.
Yeah.
You just can't keep going on and
Just
talking about
telling the story is not important.
not telling
But it is
focus
beyond
story.
that.
Beyond that. So this is and then what are the questions you're going to ask? Just briefly, so you know how to build up. So you will say, okay, what is this book about? It is about come to school too. Why is it saying come to school too? Blue kangaroo. Oh, so this girl is, what do you think is happening in this book? What do you think is happening in this
kangaroo
story?
also coming to the school?
Yes,
Oh.
exactly. You got it. So it's a kangaroo coming to school. And like that, we have given this toy. Yeah.
So there are going to be some props also.
Some
with the
props, they're toys. The thing about these toys are we are calling them, they are fun builders. Our program is not a storytelling session. So we don't give too much of emphasis. I mean, we do give emphasis. These are just to anchor. They have this nice experience. So you can, the kangaroo, you can just pick it up and you can just hold it.
Yeah. And see, while I'm listening to the story, I get to feel the kangaroo as well.
Absolutely,
Wow.
yes. And when you start the story, you can just pass on the kangaroo and let the children feel.
Right.
So, like I said, it is cultivating joy. And they relate to a good experience. And the story is about this girl who wants to go to school, and suddenly she develops this little fear. And she tells, and whatever fear she has, she tells to the kangaroo.
Right.
But my kangaroo is not happy with the pencil box. So what is my kangaroo going to eat? What if my teacher doesn't like? And she keeps speaking through that. So this is, all the stories are relatable. And so how the book has to be brought into the classroom, given a gist to it. And at the end, there is a closure. Always there has to be closure because we're talking about a comprehension. There has to be a reflection. Children must reflect what have they understood, how they have comprehended, what did they like about it. So this comprehension also, yes, you can ask them to write, but this is a fun I've done is you hold, okay, this is a kangaroo. What do you think a kangaroo does? So kangaroo jumps.
Yeah.
So you can make the children jump around, okay? But when you leave a class, you should come back to the normal. So the first activity are given is jumping. And after that, okay, let's sit down. What do you think kangaroo does to the, let's put the kangaroo's joy to sleep. So, okay, let's rock, everybody. Calm down and let's sleep. So the kangaroo sleeps, and that's how the closure has been brought to the story. And there are some more reflective practices I've already shared with her, which is just give them rough
So some
paper.
worksheets where they draw,
Yes.
where they reflect on what they have read about the story.
Yes. So this is how we give the worksheet, like lightning की है, and there is just matching. ये किसके पाँव कौन से जानवर के साथ है. So the comprehension, the teacher also needs to know. It's once they reflect on what they have learned, and that's what cements the concept.
Right.
So there are worksheets like we've introduced a dictionary, and this is the dictionary.
Can I have a look at the dictionary?
Yes,
What
please.
dictionary are we talking about?
Yes. One, it is a dictionary. Again, there is joy when you look at every page. You don't. So this dictionary has like a normal dictionary is, but for
the
every
kids.
level. Yes, it's for the kids. And you can, so we are also talking about differentiated learning, okay? So this is what you can bring into the class. So a child may just be familiar with the capital letter, may not be familiar with the lowercase. But when you see it in bold, they know we're talking about B. And also the sequencing. Rest of the sequence. So it's got tagged here, it's got tagged to B. So we are talking about B. all the way telling all the letters which are with B.
So
they are on
basically,
this
a lot
page.
of times what happens, children, they only associate B with the ball,
Hmm.
but here they can talk about B with something else.
Something
also,
else, yes.
And there are small sentences.
And
also.
small sentence.
Oh, wow.
And just one sentence.
which we keep talking that we should encourage children to make
Right, right.
sentences.
So the worksheet that's been given with this, if the child is in class 1 level, so if here the letter is letter C, just ask the child to write the page number. Where did they find the letter C? Just the page number for class 1. And once
So they have
get
to pay
class-
attention also.
Pay attention. And that's why I've given it as a group activity. So there are 5 of these dictionaries. Children can sit down, you can give them worksheet, let them all sit together. This is for
And
class
fill
1.
this up.
Yes, fill this up. For class 2, you tell them to pick up the sentence. So since there is one sentence, you can bring the focus to, this is always begins with a capital letter, sentence ends with a full stop, there is a special name, the first letter of the special name, it's only one sentence. So it's only
Right.
focus.
So it's like you're doing one thing, but you're doing multiple things
Multiple
with it.
things, yes.
So that you're trying to cover the child from all the directions.
All the direction. Because you see, you can't teach a child piece with, this is what the holistic, it
Yes,
is the
yes.
integrated learning.
Yes.
So you can't just say, okay, I'm going to.
We talk a lot about holistic, and we just talk about holistic in the sense that there should be music, there should be dance, there should
Yes.
be this. But here, holistic reading is
Hmm.
a lot about reading itself. in
Reading
a whole.
itself. Yes. And with joy, with pleasure. And so in this planner also, in the end, I've given NEP and NCF information
Okay.
because eventually teachers.
So it has been mapped
It has
to
been
the
mapped.
NEP.
Yes, NEP. So the NEP and the NCF have these curriculum guidelines. Few guidelines which are normal. I mean, which are basic
Common.
to, which is common to the language, that I have not included because that are anyway there when you do a reading. But over and above those curriculum
Specific ones.
goal, what is it that? So you'll find there's a lot of social emotional in each of these stories that you can bring in.
Yeah.
Okay? Because
The
this
value
what-
education is also
value
happening.
education, yes. Because that actually fulfills
Right.
your experiences, you know,
Absolutely.
when you are emotionally relating to the story.
And storybooks, again, as you're talking about joy, so values ultimately bring joy.
Absolutely, absolutely. You said.
So I want to ask Mithali ma'am that you've been spending time with ma'am for the last 2 days, you and your teachers. So do you feel equipped enough to pull through this program?
Yes, on the initial basis, yes, we are very much. And as ma'am has already told us that if you stuck somewhere, do contact us. So we will definitely be looking after ma'am to make sure that we'll get proper guidance that if we are doing it on a correct way or not.
Right.
We'll definitely be in touch.
So we'll do a lot of online sessions, and you'll try to visit us as many times as possible because we are very passionate about the reading program, and we really want to pull it off in the right way, and we want to bring that difference in the lives of the children.
Yes, because you see, some of the stories, I mean, I want to tell you. So when children are writing, I mean, professional exams and all, it is reading and comprehending.
Right.
You're going to get, I mean, right now we are on to giving a test paper and
True.
writing from it. So that has to be built up from class 1 level. They will not straight away jump to 10th and
Absolutely.
11th.
And if
So
you see
from
class
beginning.
10, class 12,
Yes.
they have reading comprehension as a
Right.
paper, and in 10th,
very-
if
it's
I'm
very
not
tough.
wrong, it's 25 marks.
Yes.
So we have to build it right
Build it
away
up
from
right
the
from the
little
beginning.
ones.
So for a few of the stories, I've even mapped it with the numeracy because this is one challenge. People felt that children are good with math, but when it comes to when they're given problem statement, that's when they
Yeah.
have an issue. So reading comprehension will develop numeracy skills also.
Right.
And this is one story on. So this seems like a very simple story, but I've actually mapped it with patterns. How do patterns repeat? And that's how this worksheet comes. Yeah, this is just like, but if you see, these are all patterns. So from the first pattern, second pattern, and then you keep asking
So
the
it's
child to
patterns in
keep
the pictures and patterns rhyming words
And-
in the Hindi.
in Hindi pattern, and then you memorizing it. So what do you think? So you said, अच्छा अगर पहला जानवर ने खीखी बोला, दूसरे जानवर ने कुहू बोला, और तीसरे जानवर ने चीची बोला. अब now you close the book, हाँ? Then you say, चलो तीनों याद करते हैं. तो खूकू, खाका, चीची. So this is all
It's a pattern.
It is a pattern. So that's all. So you see, there's so much you can bring in with just fun storybooks, and I hope your children and your
We
teachers.
are so excited,
Yes.
and I wish I could spend a little more time in the library and with you. But it was lovely to have you. And
Thank you.
I'm not going to say it's lovely to have you. I'm going to say it's very, very challenging, encouraging, motivating, inspiring that we want to pull through this program through the year, and we want to continue for the coming up years also. So
Thank you
we'll
so
want
much.
you to keep building plans
Definitely.
and these lesson plans and these sharing plans, and stay with us.
And thank you so much for inviting us here and hearing us out and being so patient and participating and collaborating with us. Thank you so much.
Looking forward.
Thank you. Thank you so much.